You do realize that's older than you and me.
That's why I'm going after it.
No,
I want to get video of that. Oh, I know. I know it's important.
30s.
There's one you can keep up with there.
Yeah, I think
It's
so.
about 90 years old. It's amazing the wood's still holding.
All right, I'm going to have a little bumblebee flying around you. Don't worry about me. Where is he?
All right, thank you, Bob. Appreciate that.
Up there. Well, I bet you I think it has one hell of a glide.
Bob is the head of the ground crew stuff now. Is that right?
You catch the thermal, he's going to come down for 3 hours.
There he is.
What happened? Where am I? What's going on? What's that noise? Why am I wet? Something doesn't feel right. I don't understand. Oh, that's not good. I'm feeling a bit nauseous. Ouch, that hurts, Charlie. Oh no, something's burning. Help, I'm on fire. Somebody call emergency services, quickly. Seriously, my biscuits are burning. Somebody help me. Now that feels better. Did you hear that? I think someone is coming. Sir, please, over here. In the puddle. Help me, sir. I'm stuck. I did hit the trees, now I'm stuck over here in this puddle. Come over here and get me out. Please, help me. I'm over here. I've crashed in a puddle and can't get out.
Come on, baby. Where you at?
Sir, please, over here.
Where are you at?
I'm over here.
You should be here somewhere.
In the puddle. Help me, sir. Okay, I guess not. Hello, Mr. Frog. If it wouldn't be too much trouble, I could use a bit of assistance. Can you help me? Please come closer so I can speak with you. Okay, great. My name is Hawk5 and I've crashed in this puddle. I'm pretty sure my insides are a bit crispy and I can't fly out of here. Is it possible that you could call for someone to help me? Maybe a rescue team or something. If you can understand me, blink once. Great, now get to making that call. Mr. Frog, did you call for help? Is that a helicopter I hear coming to save me? Am I going home today after all? I can't wait to get all cleaned up again. This is great, I'm saved. Wait, why did they keep going? Why aren't they coming to get me? What did you do, Mr. Frog? Why are they leaving? Call them back. I'm going to die here. Thanks for nothing, Mr. Frog. I hope somebody eats your legs. Well, this is the end. I hope my friend is okay without me. I'm just going to take a nap now.
Goodbye.